I should enter.
Enter. Keep the guy, I'm coming. Fine boy, how much be your Gary? 200 since when? Go for me. No. Now 6 cup, I go buy.
No,
now 6 cup, You know if you tell me no, I know if you buy. No, I know if you buy. No. Okay, you go sell them now, sell them.
Two, 3, 4, I'll go 5, 6. I'll go 6. See you later. Enjoy your garden.
Yes! I buy them 6 cup. Oh, where these boys they man show their love. Iwara! Sonny! Come. God bless me today. Now 6 cup I buy them. I be big. As the case there like this now, I want help you now.
That will be good day, bro.
Yes. So, I go just give you.
What do you want to give us now?
No worry, 6 cup.
Oh, that's it. We didn't come for pocket because you said that. Information are different.
No, not different.
My team I play well. See fresh Gary. Oh! Let's try him. Is it how much Gary you buy?
When I 6, so that guy said give me.
6 cup. This is cup.
Juju did this compound though, Jesus Christ.
I died. I tell you. Man,
this compound is evil.
I go say compound evil. I no get sense.
I get sense, my brother. Now since this guy said give me.
You just say see him.
I see him, my brother.
Now one cup you share give us. Guy don't finish for this. See what now? I don't tell you this compound.
My brother.
I don't tell you this compound. Lie. Now you come out something for eye.
No, not me. I buy 6 cup of Gary fire.
Anyway, no problem.
No, see, as if the case there like this now, we will return the Gary.
But why now?
No vex, give me Gary, no be fight. Give me the Gary now, no worry. Next time when I have vex. Since this guy said to me, you guys see my village people, they attack me now. Wow. No, I don't buy.
Uncle.
How are you?
You need Gary. 6 cup, 200, 1 yara.
Bless you, keep. I'm coming.
Gary boy. What do you go say you betting Gary? You get money?
Come on, there. Come so that you go buy Gary soup. Or whether you go film back.
No, get that.
Uncle Shena 200.
Yeah, 200. Stop. Can't you change this your cup?
Uncle, there is no other cup now.
Wait. I have cup.
Uncle, you carry cup for back. Uncle, no, let me use this one.
Use my cup, it's still the same
This one is
thing.
high quality now.
Ring, let me see, it's the same. Jesus! This boy, you be ring. Come on, I can't see. See.
Uncle Abeg.
So these guys, they say, Gary, give me see.
Uncle Abeg now. Uncle Abeg now selling tricks.
This is a good.
Uncle Abeg, I dey give am on that.
This guy now rich.
This guy knows that.
Uncle calm down, see am. I don't even pity am. Put what? Now two what they put.
And thank you very much for watching that Funny Life Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and on Friday. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our video to everybody come across. Please, if you are in Nigeria or in Africa or any part of this world, please stop cheating people. Whatever you are selling, sell it very good. Stop cheating so that you'll be able to go to heaven. Remember, change begins with me and you. share the video, subscribe. Bye bye.